Welcome to an insightful journey into eco-criticism, guided by Peter Berry's beginning theory. We'll simplify and elaborate on the key concepts to deepen your understanding of this fascinating field. Eco-criticism is the study of the relationship between literature and the natural environment. Peter Berry describes it as applying ecological concepts to literature, also known as green criticism. This approach helps us see literature through an environmental lens. Eco-criticism began gaining traction in the 1990s in the USA and UK. The launch of the IL journal in 1996 marked a significant milestone, and the founding of ASLE provided essential support for eco-critical studies, fostering growth and development in this field. Eco-criticism focuses on rereading nature writing, re-examining the literary canon, thematic and stylistic analysis, and ecocentric reading. It challenges us to center nature instead of humans, offering fresh perspectives on classic texts and contemporary issues. The key ideas in eco-criticism include viewing nature as a cultural construct, understanding the interconnectedness between humans and nature, and raising awareness about environmental crises. Literature becomes a powerful tool for change, shaping our perceptions and actions. Eco-criticism finds expression in romantic poetry by Wordsworth and Coleridge, modern novels like Atwood's Oryx and Crake, and overlaps with post-colonialism and ecofeminism. These examples illustrate the diverse applications and relevance of eco-critical analysis. To simplify, eco-criticism equates nature with literature, focuses on ecocentric themes, describes the natural world, addresses environmental issues like pollution and climate change, and explores the human-nature relationship depicted in texts. Eco-criticism is crucial as it reveals how literature shapes our view of nature, promotes critical thinking about the environment, encourages ethical and sustainable living, and links literature with activism. It inspires us to reflect and act responsibly. In conclusion, eco-criticism explores how nature is depicted in literature, promotes respect for the environment, and bridges literary studies with real-world concerns. Peter Berry's framework makes it accessible, empowering us to engage with ecological issues through literature.